So this is going to be your flat bench dumbbell press. The way you want to enter into this is I tell people to roll up like a bug and then just roll into the bench. Start with the dumbbells facing the roof. With your setup, you want to have your feet pressing the carpet that way the entire time. Chest will lift up a slight amount, and you want your shoulder blades to be back and down. The most common mistake is we see people go straight out to the side. We want some sort of, like that. We want some sort of tuck. Anywhere in here is the perfect place to press from. Get a nice stretch of your chest, and we also want a little pause down the bottom because that's the golden part of this movement. And then just push through the roof. So it's a slight separation and sink down, and then it's a slight press in front and coming together.